Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable CoStar for market research and comp verification, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the CoStar website. Log into your CoStar account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the homepage. Enter the property address or market area you wish to research. Click on the search icon to retrieve relevant data. On the results page, select the appropriate property from the list. Review the property details displayed, including photos and descriptions. Next, scroll down to the Market Analytics section. Here, you will find various market research tools. Select the desired analysis type from the options available. Once you've chosen your analysis, click on the Run Report button. This will generate a detailed report for your review. To verify comparables, navigate to the Comps tab at the top of the page. In the Comps section, input the necessary filters based on your criteria. This might include property type, size, or location. Click on Apply Filters to update your results. Review the list of comparable properties that match your filters. Select individual properties to view detailed information. Focus on key metrics such as price per square foot and lease terms. If you need to export the data, look for the Export option or Download button. Choose the format you prefer for your reports, such as PDF or Excel. Save the report to your device for future reference. Finally, compile your findings and insights into your research document. You are now equipped to effectively use CoStar for market research and comparable verification. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.